Hello everyone, a warm welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'll be sharing this amazing puff-puff recipe. So let's get started. We have our flour, so we'll be adding our sugar into it, then our milk flavor goes into it, then we add a pinch of nutmeg. I just grated a pinch of nutmeg into the mixture, and I add a pinch of salt. My flavor and my yeast will be the last thing I'll be adding, so I'm adding my yeast and I'll combine all the ingredients together. With a clean hand, you start adding your water bit by bit. Here I use about 1.5 cup of water, then I knead it very well. I mix it very well with my hand, so you mix it very well. You keep mixing it until it is light and fluffy. As you can see from the texture we have here, you can see the texture our puff-puff look like. As you can see from the texture of our puff-puff, is not too thick and is not too light, and it's easy for you to scoop. You can easily scoop it. So this is our puff-puff mixture is ready. We are going to leave it to rise. Our puff-puff have doubled in size and we can now proceed to frying. So you just drop it, cut it little by little into your hot oil and you start frying it. For the full list of the ingredients and measurements, please check the description box below. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on your notification bell. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share. So I just continue frying the puff-puff until I was done frying everything. So enjoy the rest of the video while I continue frying the remaining puff-puff. Also, please note, make sure your oil is not too hot and don't allow your puff-puff to burn. So once you notice that it is golden brown, so you can start to bring it out. So here you see that our puff-puff is ready and is golden brown, and I'm bringing everything out. So our puff-puff is fully ready. As you can see what our puff-puff look like. It's very fluffy and nice. You can see the inside is very fluffy and very a little bit crispy outside. So please enjoy. Please try it out and let me know. Thank you for watching. Bye.